Hello everyone, welcome here. So this is the fourth video I'm covering on Selenium exceptions. So this topic will be stale element reference exception, and this come due to the element is not attached to the page document. So in the error only we can able to see like what it is saying, like it is Selenium stale element reference exception, and stale element reference and element is not attached to the page document. So you all aware of the page DOM. So every element we get from the front page, it will be present in a DOM. So we will map that element and we will use that element for different purposes, clicking on it or doing some operations. Okay, so what happened, like when that element we assign to any particular variable and that variable is not present, like it got refreshed, page got refreshed, or some your frame is got changed, that whole element is got changed, so that time the old reference is not present, so the variable is not pointing to that old reference. So then this exception will come. So guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to cover the from the basic level what different error or exceptions we face or the beginning of the Selenium programming. So if you are new to the Selenium programming, you can watch my videos on this, and you can also subscribe it. So any new video is coming, so you can get notification of that. So the idea is I'm covering the exceptions which are the we face with daily programming, okay, from the beginner levels. So this is the fourth video we are covering. So here what I have did, I have taken one element, okay, I have the picker one, and it is like coming, I'm selecting it by div, okay. So I am taking the get text of that element, and we are navigating, I have used navigate function to refresh the page. Means this variable we have saved in one picker variable, okay. So this element, and we have used that one first, okay. So and after that our pages get refreshed, okay, or your object or element is get refreshed according to your scenario. So after that I am again using it after the refresh, okay. So what happens, we are using after the refresh, then the exception will be coming. I will just run this program and we will see like it's really happening or not. Okay, sometimes it happen like suppose not refreshing the page, sometimes the object will open or it is work. But if you got this error, so you need to understand that your old pointing variable reference is not working. So this application is got launched, and I have taken the element for this passenger. Okay, so we'll see like what happened over here. Our browser is not got closed. Okay, and you see over here, so stale element reference element is not attached to the page, okay. And if you go down, you will be able to select on which line this error is coming, okay. So just click on this last one, so it will highlight that in this our program, the line number 28, we got a error. So why we got a error? So it is not able to get this element, okay. So to solve this error, so what we can do, one method is to again reassign that variable with that element, okay. So we'll just reassign that and I will try to run the program again. So this time what happened, it will again initialize it with its property, and this time it will be working, okay. So now the first time it is identified, again it is refreshing the page, okay, and now it is refreshed, then it will identify that element, and the browser will get closed, okay. So see, the browser is working after the refresh, okay. This one is printed over here, so this is a before refresh, okay. So we can see some errors maybe see before. Okay. So if you don't, if in the program some had happened, suppose your application gets refreshed or something. So the previously it was not happening, but you will need to handle this error. So your whole program should not be get terminated because of this type of exception. So what you can do, like you can use try catch block, and inside this you can use your always a good practice is to use try catch block or handle the exception or throws the exception. Okay. So what I did, like I use this try catch block. In the catch I have catch this exception, stale element reference exception, and I just enter one some comment so I can understand, like uh, I can understand what error I am getting. So I will just copy this variable over here. Okay, sorry. I need to print the exception. Okay. So this time what we will do, we will not assign it newly. We will just keep it is, and we will try to handle that exception in the try catch block. So the first time what happened, our browser is not got closed, or our program is uh, intermittently terminated. Okay, so next step got failed, or okay, so this time what happened, our program is successfully terminated without an error. So we'll see like what error he has given. So the first time before this one, and instead of printing after refresh the value, so it has thrown an error. So what, the please handle the element after it got changed or reinitialized. And what exception he has come, the exception is coming in the black over here. So it is not going to terminate due to this exception. Our flow will be continuing. So you can handle this exception over here, like you can reassign this value over here, and again you can do whatever work you want to do with the exception. Okay, so this is the stale element reference exception. You can how you got it and how you can handle that exception. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe this channel. You will be able to see more videos on different exception of the Selenium, how to, why you getting the exception and how to solve it. So thank you.